Hi students, in my last class you learnt question tag, how to make question tag, how to use the pronouns, everything you learnt in my last class. So now in this page you are going to learn about the degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. So degrees of comparison. How many degrees are there? Tell me anyone. How many degrees are there? Don't know. How many degrees are there? Yes, 3 degrees are there. How many degrees are there? 3 degrees are there. So, let us study one by one. First degree is positive. First degree is which is first is a positive degree. Positive means what? What is positive degree? So especially degrees of comparison means so adjective. You already learned. Adjective means what? A describe a noun or pronoun that is called a adjective. Here in the degrees of comparison we are used degree adjective forms. We are used adjective forms. For example, rich, poor, tall, wise, those are what degrees. Here, so positive. Positive means what? It expresses the quality of a person, thing, or an animal in the simple way. It expresses the quality of a person, thing, or animal in the simple way. It is called a positive degree. For example, Rahul is a brave boy. Rahul is a brave boy. So, sorry, small mistake. Braver I written, but so Rahul is a brave boy. In the sentence, what is adjective word? Yes. In the sentence, what is adjective word is there? Yes, brave is a adjective word. So for just like tiger is a cruel animal. Do you agree? Tiger is what type of animal? Tiger is a cruel animal. Yes, iron is a tough metal. Iron is what type of metal? Tough metal. So all these are the examples. So just to the positive degree. So here brave, cruel, and tough. These are what adjective words. These are what adjective words. Which word describe a noun or pronoun or another one thing that is called an adjective. So let us see what is positive degree. Positive degree, it means it is sorry, it is a comparative degree. Third one is what? Comparative degree. So comparative means it is comparison between two different different things. Two different things in the same quality. In the same quality. So comparison means what? Comparison. It means comparative. Comparative to anyone. So here it is a comparison between two different things in the same quality, not in another quality. For example, tall. You just only compare the with anyone in the matter of tall. Don't take another quality. Does it understand? So, for example, Ravi is so brave, braver than. So another name Raju. So here Ravi is braver than Raju. How many persons are there? Two persons. Ravi and Raju. Quality is same. No more changes in the quality. No more changes in the quality. Here just Ravi is compared with Raju. Ravi is compared with Raju. Yes, here the adjective word end with what? Er. The adjective word end with er in a comparative degree. For example, tall. So comparative degree what? Others. So that's like rich. Here richer. You can understand? Ravi is braver than Raju. That's like tiger is cruel. How to make comparative degree? Ravi is more, sorry, tiger is more cruel than than lion. Here, tiger compared with what? Lion. Yes, that's like iron is tough. Change as what? Tougher than steel, whatever you like. Here, after the adjective form, after the comparative adjective form, you should use than. Don't forget it. Then means if in the sentence then is there, if the adjective end with er, that is called what type of degree? That is a comparative degree. That is what a comparative degree. Is it understand? So in the positive degree only brave. Here braver. So here cruel. How to change here? More cruel. So in the positive degree it was a tough. Now it is a tougher because it is end with here then word. Don't forget it. It is called what? A positive. Sorry, it is called a comparative degree. So last one is what? A superlative degree. Third one is a superlative degree. Yes. Write down the example. Superlative. First you write down the examples. Then I will go to continue. Superlative degree. Write down first. Is it easy now? Degree, it is very easy. It's not a big matter. It is not a tough grammatical topic. It is very easy. So then superlative degree. Then last one is a superlative degree. So write down the definition. When one thing when one thing is compared with all other things of the same class. Of the same class. When one thing is compared with all other things of the same class, that is called a superlative degree. Even adjective end with adjective word end with est or st, and with what? St or est. Is it? So for example, let's take down. So Ravi is afterwards we should use the article the. Only the article we use in a superlative degree. Did you see? We have used the article in positive positive degree and comparative degree? No. Only the use in a superlative degree. Okay. Ravi is the, so tall change as what? Tallest. Tallest of all boys are in the class. Write this like. So it means he is not compared with anyone. He is not compared with anyone. See, Ravi is the tallest of all boys or in the class. In the class. So that's like a second one example. Tell me how to make a tiger is more, actually afterwards the, after helping her to use the tiger is the, so here more, here change as a most cruel, most cruel of all animals, of all animals. Is it understand? So third example is there, water iron is tougher than steel. Can you make it? Can you make it superlative degree? Same. What type of two you have done? That's like third one also. Tell me anyone? Yes. See, iron is afterwards the tough change as the tougher, toughest. Tougher, toughest. Iron is the toughest of all metals. Of all metals. Here, iron is the toughest of all metals. Let us write down some adjective forms. For example, tall, here, taller, then here, tallest, then rich, richer, then in positive degree, in superlative degree what changes? Richest, wise, wiser, wisest. Just simply you understand what if the word, if the adjective word end with er, that is called a comparative degree. If the word adjective word end with est or st, that is called a superlative degree. If I am no more er, no more est, that is called a positive degree. Did you understand? Then old, older, oldest, old, older, oldest, young, younger, youngest, and younger, youngest. So 80% and will be this like 80% adjective forms end with this like er and es. So some 10% is are different. 10% are different. Let's see how those are different. For example, active. Active. Don't write active or activist. It is a different. Active. You should write what? More active. Then the superlative degree, most active. Yes, that's like intelligent. Intelligent. Tell me, more intelligent. There, most intelligent. Okay, is it understand? This like how much? 10%. This like 10% are words are adverbs or adjectives are different. So then other 10%, are different. How? Let's see. Bad, for example, bad, worse, worst. Totally different. Bad, worse, worst. Then good, better, best. Good, better, best. Then there's like so much, more, most. Much, more, most. Then last, little, less, little, less, least. Are these different? Are these different or same? Yes, this 10% is different. Total 100%. 80% is end with here in EST. Other 10% is just end with more and most. And another 10% is totally different. Is it understand? Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. These are what degrees. These are degrees. Let's see students, in the degrees of comparison, two steps are there. So those are very important for exam purpose. So we will discuss that in the next class. So before going to finish the class, just write down the homework. Write down the homework. So let's see, happy, poor, thin, big, cold, young, so dangerous, famous. Just all these are positive degrees. All these are positive adjective forms. Is it right? You should write what? Comparative. You should write those here comparative and superlative is the adjective form. You should write their comparative and superlative degrees. So forms. Happy changes what in superlative degree and comparative degree. So that's like poor. What it change in comparative and superlative degree. Is it understand? You should write their comparative degree and superlative degree. These are positive adjective forms. These are positive adjective forms. You should write comparative and superlative adjective forms. Then you write down some examples. You just find out the adjectives and their degrees of comparison. Just you do what is adjective and name their degrees comparison. Name. You just tell that what is superlative degree, comparative degree, and positive degree. You should identify that. Is it understand? Now write down the words examples. Write down the examples. First one, Bombay is Bombay is hotter than Simla. So in this sentence, what is adjective word and it is positive na, superlative na, comparative na, you should tell. You should write. Is it right? So then second example, Ashok was a great king. Ashok was a great king. Then third one, Gopal is the tallest of all boys. Then fourth example, who is the best player? Who is the in the team. In the team. Question mark. Then, so Nisha is slower than Rani. Slower than Rani. Then, so this is an easy question. This is an easy question. Seventh example. So she was wearing beautiful frock. She was wearing beautiful frock. Then here one. Rajkumar was a great actor. Rajkumar was a great actor. Kumar is richer than Mohan. Richer than Mohan. So then he is the best player. He is the best player. Already repeated. Let's take another one example. He is the wisest boy. Wisest boy or student. So these 10 examples are there. You should find out the adjective and you just tell their degrees of comparison. Degrees, which degree it is? It is which degree? You should tell. Is it understand? It is your homework.